we're doing the super highly requested how to style Doc Marten Mary Janes. If you don't have Doc Marten Mary Janes, this works for any Mary Jane, or honestly like loaf or a leather shoe. Pretty interchangeable. I have a brown pair and a black pair. Let me show you. Oh, but before we get into this video, thank you so much to Squarespace for sponsoring. So here are the first pair that I got. These are brand new from Doc Martens. I went in Wicker Park and purchased them. I got them in a size 9 because they don't have half sizes. I'm like a true 8.5. They were super comfortable. I literally wore them out of the store, and I wore them for like 6 miles that day, and I didn't get one blister. So that, I don't know if it's a testament to the shoe or to my feet, but I will say they are still super stiff, and you have to like buckle and unbuckle them to get them on. So it makes me not wear them as often, just because if you don't watch my channel, I have a toddler, so it's like hard to sit down and put my shoes on when she's already like running out the door. And for my birthday, one of my best friends, Shoshi, got me these vintage Doc Marten made in England Mary Janes. She is an esthetician, and one of her clients saw that she was wearing the black pair and was like, I have a pair of those from high school, like I'm the same size, I'll bring them in. And they were a 9 and Shoshi's more of an 8, so they were too big on her, so she very graciously gave them to me. These are like butter. Like, I can't wait for mine to feel like this because I can slip these on and off. I end up wearing them all the time, so I figured I would style both the black and brown pair. And yeah, I want to just show all the different ways you can wear them because I've seriously been wearing them in place of like a tennis shoe and stuff like that. I was actually lucky enough to work with Doc Martens this summer, but this video is not sponsored. I bought these Mary Janes with my own money before that video, and I've been wearing Doc Martens for years, so just thought I'd say that. Okay, so I wear these shoes with like sundresses in the summer, and that's like one of my favorite ways to wear them, like a little crew sock, just a fun sundress. I think it's a really cute juxtaposition, and again, they're like as comfy as a sneaker. I also think if you're in between sizes, you can just put like a Dr. Scholl's foot pad in there, and you know, it kind of helps with that half size issue. I don't know why they don't do half sizes. I'm sure there's a reason, but for the black pair, I really like dressing them a little bit preppier. I've got these peachy den striped pants that I always wear in the winter time, and then this little Argyle sweater I thought was fun to like pattern mix. This is from, I haven't worn it yet because it's still not like super cold out, Align. I got a few pieces from them. They sent them to me, and they're really nice quality and just like beautiful pieces. I know I'm gonna be wearing this sweater all summer or fall and winter. So here's outfit number 1. Kind of a different way to think of wearing them, but like anytime you think, oh, what would I wear with this? A loafer? Switch it for a Mary Jane, and it instantly feels like cutesy. I don't know, like this is a very good office outfit. Let's keep going. These outfits, they're gonna all feel so different, and that's kind of the point because I want you to take inspo from them, honestly, regardless of if you're wearing Mary Janes or not. I've been talking about this for a minute now, but I just adore like playing into the dress up feel when I put an outfit on, leaning into the style of the shoe. It feels like a private school shoe to me. Like, I'm sure some of you watching wore these shoes as like your school uniform, so maybe you're triggered by it, but this little outfit set is from my mom made it. It's this corduroy navy blue little like mini skirt matching like Peter Pan collar top, and it's so adorable. And I feel like, how am I not supposed to wear it with some slouchy socks, some little schoolgirl glasses, and the Mary Janes? Like, I have tags on all my clothes. Adorable. This definitely feels a little bit more dressed up, and I don't know, maybe the white socks aren't the right move, but I like them. I think a pair of kick flare pants, a little fun jacket, super cute. I feel like if I was to wear this, I would more so lean into like a kitten heel, so maybe a different jacket. Maybe this one, the proportions are better. It's like pretty warm outside today. It's like 70 degrees. But for some reason in the studio it feels like 50, which is what I need when I film outfit videos because I get so freakishly hot. So I'm like having the best time right now. This is my mom's suede jacket from the 90s. I think that looks better for some reason. It just like the vibe of the shoe more. Like, such a simple fit, but it just looks cute and playful with the Mary Jane, and I adore it. It looks so much more like sophisticated with like a boot. I'm gonna show you in a second because this is like fun, playful. You look like you're gonna have a good time in it. I don't know why. But if I just switched it out for a pointed toe boot, I know this isn't what we're styling, but I'm just trying to like show the vibe of those shoes, especially if you are thinking of buying them. I think they're like getting pretty trendy. A Mary Jane, I mean like a Mary Jane's trendy, but like, I mean the Doc Marten ones. It's like so different. And I feel like sometimes like I look at myself in an outfit like this and I'm like, yeah, this is like looks better on paper, but I'm like never going to something where an outfit like this is what I should be wearing. I don't know. I think I like to dress a little bit more younger, a little bit more cutesy, a little bit more playful, silly. Let's keep going. Whenever I get questioned how to style the Mary Janes, if you feel like you're struggling, just a pair of jeans, your favorite jeans. I swear they go with any style, any cut, any length. Like I just did it with a kick flare. You could have a crop pant like that. Skinny jeans, I don't really know. I want to do a video styling skinny jeans because my friend Amanda keeps asking for it, but I like truly don't know if I would do them any justice besides like tucking them in a boot, and I don't have any, so I don't really want to buy them, but we'll see. I literally wore this outfit yesterday. I love it so much. I actually got this sweater and these pants from my grandma's church rummage sale, which was really cool. You got to just like pay whatever you thought. This little sweater is Ralph Lauren, and then the jeans are Tommy, and they're so cute. And then just throwing them on with the super beat up Mary Janes, I think it's just such like a cool look. And I think before I would have paired this with like my penny loafer, and that makes it a lot more like sophisticated, a lot more like 90s mom. Like I keep saying, I like this like playful vibe. Something about these shoes, this is like a totally different style. This Mary Jane, obviously, this has one strap and this has two strap. And then I don't know if this is like the vintage style and this is the new, but the vintage toe is so square. It's like clown shoe nub, which you guys know I adore. And then the new one is a little bit more narrow toed. So I guess when you're looking for these, I highly do recommend getting them secondhand, because if they're just like worn in better, it's nicer. But when I was looking for my size secondhand, they were more expensive. Riddle me that one, I don't know. Sometimes Depop people are crazy. The vintage toe, like you can just tell the difference in that toe. The nub to no nub. Okay, next. But seriously, if you're having trouble, jeans. I saw it on Substack, so I might not remember exactly who because I follow a lot of people on there, but if I can find it, I'll put it here. Somebody said if you feel like you're in a style rut, you hate all your clothes, whatever, try switching out just one thing. So put on an outfit that you know is like tried and true and then switch out one thing. I say if you are struggling styling these shoes, put on an outfit you love with tennis shoes, that you love with boots, that you love with a loafer, and just put the shoes on. Don't try and make like an entirely new outfit the shoe if you're struggling. I know I've worn this outfit before on this channel. These shoes and cheetah pants go together so well. It gives Nana, if you know that show, so I really adore it. I think it's so fun with like the like super cutesy Mary Janes, the like very fun playful cheetah pants, and then the more like classic chill sweater. I feel like you could wear this day to day. You could wear it to like a family party. There's so many places and ways you can wear this, which is like what I like from my outfits, is more than one option to wear it. And then my night out looks like I'm gonna be an absolute annoying menace to society. But yeah, I love this. Again, we've got like a boot cut pant. I'm just trying to show like all the different kind of style bottoms you can pair with it, because I feel like that's what you struggle with, not really like the top. So I was originally gonna show this outfit, but I feel like I've shown it already on my channel a few times, like this exact photo, and then I've shown it obviously on Instagram. I didn't want to just put it on again, but it is so cute, and that is another way I've styled these shoes. Literally, like, I had that outfit on with a pair of penny loafers and went out to breakfast at Shoshi. She gave me these shoes, and I put these shoes on at the restaurant. We were outside. Nobody was around us, okay, I swear. But I put these shoes on, and it, like, looked better with the outfit than my other shoes. Just another way to show that they go with everything. These are the way-high jeans. They're the same as the ones in that photo, but I think they're a little bit longer. I've had these ones since like 2020, I think. I still wear them. If you didn't watch my last video, I don't know why like YouTube didn't show that one. I talk about how I'm just never gonna say never anymore. I said I was done wearing high-waisted pants probably like 2 years ago, and there's just a time and a place for them. Not really that they needed to go with like this outfit, but like the denims match pretty well. This little mini dress is from Cezanne. I got it pretty late in the summer, so I only got to wear it a few times. I know I'm gonna wear it a ton next summer, so I still like justified getting it. I think that this is a really fun way to wear it in the fall. I could even put like a jacket over it, but like today I could totally wear this and it would be really cute. It's like, again, just that cutesy look, and I think the Mary Janes, like, just add it. It feels very mod, cutesy. I don't know why my style is described as cutesy always. I'm trying to show something like a little different, not just like pants top, but I want you guys to take inspo from like your own closet. This is the little top that kind of made me realize I need high-waisted pants in my closet because I think it looks so cute with jeans. It looks really cute with this little high-waisted skirt also. It kind of goes into that theory of like, you're gonna wear something little on top. It'll look best to wear something a little bit more like full coverage on bottom, or if you're wearing something really mini on bottom, wear something more for full coverage on top. That's not always the case, but I kind of do follow that rule. Like if I'm gonna wear something really mini on bottom, I'm probably gonna wear like basically a turtleneck on top. Yeah, I know that this is a little bit more summery, but I had to show it because for some reason like this milkmaid style top and like these Mary Janes, either one's actually, just look so cute to me. But I think we could also do this little jacket, like fully buttoned. I've been loving it. I just think there's something so chic and so fashion forward about like a super fitted jacket worn as a top. I never used to like say jacket worn as a top. I didn't really realize like that's what I've always done though. I'm such a zipper all the way, button all the way. I swear it's because I don't like extremities. I want everything close to me, and yeah, I feel like it's kind of like a little anxious thing, but I just say it's for fashion. Something about this combo is so cute, and if you don't agree, don't tell me. I feel like this is such like a sophisticated, maybe not sophisticated. It feels like a mature outfit, the top and bottom together, so adding like a little playful shoe just definitely feels more me. And like we could totally do like a sambo with something like this, and that's definitely what I would have done before. I don't know, I feel like there's just so much more with a leather shoe, which again is something I talked more about in my last video. Obviously another little take on the private school like aesthetic or whatever. This rugby shirt is from Cotton. You guys know I always rave about Cotton, but their stuff is seriously so high quality, and I adore that brand and like what they stand for and all that. I buy direct glasses or something like that. I don't know, I have like all my accessories and most of my clothes linked on my Shop My, so if you guys ever wonder about stuff, where it's from, look there, and mostly everything is there. Even if it's thrifted, I find like similar stuff. It just feels like you're looking into my closet. And then these jeans are Everlane. Everlane seriously makes some of my favorite high-waisted jeans. These ones technically aren't jeans even, they're like the utility pant or something along those lines. And then the little Mary Janes. This is such a me fall winter outfit. I feel like in the spring and summer, I dress so feminine, so girly, and then as soon as it's fall and winter, I'm in joggers and baggy clothes every single day. I feel most comfortable in it. Yeah, like in the winter, I would just throw a puffer over this and you're good to go. I think it's fun, and like I just love showing how different we can style these types of shoes. Okay, I'm figuring this out. I don't know if this jacket's the right look with it because my legs are out. It feels kind of weird. Like I love these three together, but I feel like I'd put these three pieces together with a boot. And I know I don't always put like a bag on when I'm showing outfits because sometimes I'm like, it really, I don't know, like I don't think it always needs a bag. Is that a weird thing? I know I am so not an accessorizer. I feel like I really lack in like putting on those finishing touches, but sometimes like I swear my outfits don't need it. And if you look at some like past fashion icons, especially like Jane Birkin, which you guys know, I look up to her fashion sense so much. She like never wore jewelry, never really accessorized, besides like her bag was very accessorized, but when she wore her basket, like I don't know, like sometimes you don't need it, so I just will die on that hill. Okay, literally same vibe, different font. That jacket was from Cezanne, and I think it's so beautiful, and I'll definitely be wearing it like all winter as one of my winter coats when it's not like too cold. I feel like just having bright colors, especially in a jacket, outfit's so much more fun, and I don't know, but it felt too heavy on top for having bare legs on bottom. I think with that, again, I would need knee-high boots and like tights. But I really wanted to do the pink and polka dots together because I think it's so cute. As I just said, how like tomboy I dress in, is that the right word? How androgynous I dress in the winter. I think the pink and green is so cute with the polka dots, like I adore it. And then just playing into the cutesy girly, of course, the shoe. I don't know, it felt like bottom heavy. Like I needed to sandwich it with like another black piece on top, so I put on the Edna Mode glasses. and I think this is so cute. This sweater is from Lisa Says Ga. I've been wearing it nonstop since getting it. It's so cute. Something else I'll say when pairing something that could make you look like stubby or like feels unflattering, but just something you're not used to wearing, don't like stand in the mirror and stare at yourself. Like, move around, because realistically that's what you're doing when you go out. You're not just like, you know what I mean? And things will look so much more natural, so much more, I don't know, just normal. And especially like taking a video of yourself like walking, most of the time I'll do that. Sometimes looking in the mirror behind you guys, I'm like, oh my god, this looks horrible, and I'm like, whatever, I'm just gonna like wear it for the video. And then I check my camera after and I'm like, wait, that looks a lot better. I don't know, something about like just a floor length mirror. I think we're gonna do one more. Before we end this video, let's talk a little bit about Squarespace.
Squarespace is the all-in-one website and platform to stand out and succeed online. Squarespace makes building and maintaining a website easy. I love it because I can focus more on the creative aspects and let Squarespace do the heavy lifting. Make it easy to sell your products in an online store. Whether you sell physical, digital, or service products, Squarespace has the tools to sell your products online. Analytics is something that is so important when maintaining and improving your website and your brand, and Squarespace makes analytics easy. Improve your website and build a marketing strategy based on your top keywords or most popular products and content. If your Squarespace account is acting as an online store, the checkout process is so easy for your customers with simple but powerful payment tools. Accept credit cards, PayPal, and Apple Pay, and offer your customers the option to buy now and pay later with ClearPay and Afterpay. Head to squarespace.com/LaineyOzark to get 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain with code LaineyOzark.
Doesn't this feel better? Okay, last little outfit is this maxi skirt from Fabrique, another brand I've kind of recently found last year, and I adore it. They promote like small designers and kind of sell their stuff on there like a marketplace, which is really cool. Brown loafers this time, just because it goes with the color scheme, or not loafers, Mary Jane's, and I think it's so fun. I really like these like funnel necks, I think is what they're called, and they're definitely like a trend this fall winter that we're seeing on the runways and stuff. You guys know I like something zipped up all the way. I want to hide in it like a little turtle shell, so I adore it, and I really like it when you like tuck your hair into it, and it kind of mimics like a little bob, so I think it looks cool with sunglasses and stuff, just to like be super incognito. But yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it lived up to the hype of what some of you guys wanted, seeing these Mary Jane styled. Thank you again to Squarespace for sponsoring this video, and I'll see you in a few days. I love you the absolute most. Bye.